Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So first of all, open Binance and go to the bottom right and click wallets here, this one. So then select deposit in the top left. Then search for the USDT, like in the search bar type USDT and select it USDT here, and then select Toncoin and press continue. Like Toncoin will pop up here, then just click here and press continue. Now copy the deposit address, then head to your Tonkeeper app and click send. Like you are here in our Tonkeeper app, so copy this deposit address here and then go back to Binance and you need to paste it and here on the address name. And also you need to copy this USDT memo here as well and paste it here. So to paste the memo and simply you'll see like this, the memo is pasted. Then choose USDT at the top and click max to send the full amount and press continue. Like the USDT amount here, if we click the max, it will send the full USDT amount, and then click continue to send the money, and then review and click confirm to send the funds. And once the fund is sent, you'll see a screen pop up like this and done written here. And that's all there is to it.